here. I have a fun new activity for you to do today. It's called sport bowling. Now all you need for this specific game are some cups, something sport related, and some sort of ball. Now, the game is really simple, okay? All you need is some sort of manipulative. Usually I'll have some sort of ball, okay? Sometimes it'll be hockey based, but those of you who know me know that I love all types of sports, okay? And all you need to do for this game is set up. I have 10 cups set up. You don't need to use that many. You can use a simple 5 stack. And you need to be standing roughly about, 12 feet away from the cups. Now, all you need to do with this, okay, is send the ball or the object towards the cups. So, for example, if I'm using a hockey stick, I'm going to send it like that. Boom, strike. Maybe hockey isn't your thing. That's totally fine. Maybe soccer's your thing. You find a soccer ball, you can do the same type of setup, all right? Go 12 feet away. If you feel like you need a little bit of a challenge, right, you can go further back if you have the space. So I'm gonna go a little further back for soccer. Reminder, when you're kicking a soccer ball, you're striking with your foot, that you're following through with your lace, okay? Or the side of your foot. We're not kicking with our toes, okay? We're planting with our opposite foot and then following through, just like as if you're throwing towards the target. Now, I'm not the greatest soccer player, but I'm gonna give it my best shot here. See if I can even knock a few down. Those of you who know me well know that hockey is my favorite sport. And those people who know me super, super well know that growing up, volleyball actually was my second favorite sport. So I played a lot growing up. Now, what I'm gonna do to incorporate volleyball into this game is I'm actually gonna complete part of a drill that I would normally do to teach kids how to properly set. Now, to properly set a volleyball, what I like to think about is a 2-liter Coke bottle, all right? And what I do with a 2-liter Coke bottle, and I wanna chug that thing, is I'm gonna hold it around the outside of it. But now this kind of looks weird for a volleyball set. So from that 2-liter Coke bottle, okay, I'm going to bring my fingers out, and then I should sort of see a little bit of a triangle. Now, reminder, when we're setting in volleyball, okay, it's from our forehead area, okay? It's not from our mouth, okay? It's from our forehead area. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna follow through with my fingers, okay? So I'm gonna kind of cushion ball and follow through. So it's gonna kind of look something like this. Now this drill, or part of the drill, is getting down on my stomach, ball here, and then I'm gonna follow through. Yeah. Maybe you just want to bowl. Another variation can be to throw a ball and try and knock it over. Remember, when we're underhand tossing, we're stepping with the opposite foot and following through. Check it out. Strike again. Obviously, with any game, you can make variations to make it harder or easier. As you can see here, I have the cups stacked into a group of 6, and there's actually space between the cups. Some other variations that I would include for myself playing this game is I would include some sort of balance aspect. So sometimes I could be on one foot or another, or finding something to balance on if I was doing hockey. Like I already mentioned, the cups are a good variation. And I encourage you to be creative when you're thinking of variations. So I'm here, I can stick handle a bit and shoot it. Now that usually makes it a little bit harder, right? If you feel like you need to ease up the level for yourself, one good thought that I would maybe try is moving your distance a little bit closer. One way to make this competitive, play with somebody at home, right? Keep score. How many strikes do you get? How many cups can you knock over? Try it out. Let me know what you think.